When summer arrives, dive watches take over the conversation, and this time, Hamilton is making waves with new textures and fresh dial colors for the Khaki Navy Scuba. The biggest update? The 40mm Khaki Navy Scuba now gets a brand new wave pattern dial that instantly gives the watch a more premium, more modern look. At first glance, you might notice similarities to the Omega Seamaster style dial texture, and honestly, that's not a bad thing. The stamped wave design adds depth and personality, while new dot-style hour markers modernize the entire watch face. Hamilton also upgraded the lume, so visibility remains strong whether you're underwater or just checking the time at night. Case dimensions stay wearable at 40mm wide and just under 13mm thick, making this one of the easiest everyday dive watches to wear. And while it's rated to 100 meters instead of 300, that's still more than enough for swimming, beach trips, and everyday adventure. You now get 5 different versions, including black, blue, silver, and even a fun black and turquoise model that feels perfect for summer. Inside is Hamilton's H10 automatic movement with an impressive 80-hour power reserve and a Nivacron hairspring for better magnetic resistance. But if you travel often, the Khaki Navy Scuba GMT might be the more exciting release. Introduced in a larger 43mm case, the GMT combines serious dive watch capability with dual-time functionality. Instead of a traditional dive bezel, you now get a 24-hour bezel paired with a bright red GMT hand to track a second time zone. Hamilton added new blue and black dial options with subtle gradient finishes and ceramic bezel inserts that give the watch a much more premium feel. Like the standard Scuba, the GMT also gets the H14 movement with an 80-hour power reserve. So, whether you want a stylish everyday diver or a rugged travel companion, Hamilton's latest Khaki Navy releases feel like smart updates without losing the tool watch DNA that made the collection popular in the first place. And honestly, these might be some of Hamilton's best-looking sports watches yet.